Kuema mau kaya ba no joki sunga open pa wajing masuhun haro jubab ko ba aro ba sakre wajri menteri ketanat label ba ya ka office jong ka level na blok laskanya ra siwai na ka daw bombiang ke bukol internet habawan ra ikni jikari mentaka sengi ba no joki wa ong ba sui hap ikni jubab na mar bag internet akate ke jakka ka biang ba le se ra bandai na ka jingjai tu ikni trai ba ra ikate ka office Juai. Ula kentu yau menteri ba dari banra biang ketika office saya scan kenam bakan ai ke syakri hok iki ba beron kam.
Skin is not closed and is currently functioning from the district labor office Juai.
Mr. Banu Joki, your preliminary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So what I would just like to know from the Honourable Minister, since the Labour Department has already took one rental house in Laskeny for the operational of the office of the block labour office, and as far as my knowledge is concerned, this rental has been terminated by the concerned office. So is it not that since the rental of the house has been terminated, is it not that the office has been shifted already to Juai?
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, the office has just been temporarily shifted to Juai, so it's not permanently shifted to Juai. And the house that was being taken on rent, Sir, like I said, it has been temporarily terminated, the house that's been taken on rent.
Sir, one more supplementary. May I know from the Honourable Minister, sir, how many block labour office that has been set up across the state, sir?
Sir, there are many block labour offices that have been set up across the state. Sir, we have the labour in all the districts, sir. We have the labour office mostly in all the blocks, and we have sent more proposals, sir, for setting up blocks in state. And sir, it's a very long list, so if the honourable member wants, sir, I can lay it on the table of the house.
So since block labour office, it's very much important in almost all of the block in different parts of the state. So what I would like to request is that the government should strengthen those particular offices, because there are so many labour who need to be registered, and most of the labourers are very poor to come to the district headquarters. So if there is a block labour office in each and every block, it will really help the labourers. So one more supplementary, sir. Would the government, would the department considering acquiring some land and sanction some fund for construction of this block labour office, sir, in different blocks?
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now, sir, we don't have any such plans from the government. But then again, sir, if it is required, sir, we can examine and we will take a call, sir.
And one more question, sir. One last question.
Last one.
I'd just like to know from the Honourable Minister, sir, since this block labour office in Laskeny has been temporarily shut down, so may I know, sir, when will the department examine the matter and make sure that the block labour office in Laskeny will be operational again from the same rental house?
Mr. Speaker, sir, one of the functions of the block is for the people who have registered with the MBOCW Welfare Board, and these registered can avail certain benefits. These beneficiaries can avail certain benefits from the board, sir. So for that, sir, the process is that we have to do it online. So hence, sir, there's a lot of interconnection issue in the area of Laskeny. So that was the main reason, sir, that we've only shifted temporarily. But then again, I can assure the honorable member from Mukayao that sir, once the internet connection is stable in the entire area, the block office will be shifted back to Laskin.
Just one more clarification, sir. Sir, I disagree with the reply of the department, sir, because Laskin block office is located at merely 200 meters away from this particular place, sir. And in that block office, there's no internet connectivity problem at all. So that's why, sir, I totally disagree with the reply from the department, sir. Maybe it's just because that those staff, they're lazy to come to rural areas, sir.
So as per the information that is available with me, sir, the shifting of the block office is purely because there was a lack of internet connection. But then again, sir, since the honorable member has mentioned, I will examine and I will sue the department, sir, to ensure and to make sure that no such things happen again, sir.
Yes.
Registered the name in the Labour Department before he died, but till now they have not received any of such scheme so far. May I know the reason why?
Mr. Speaker, sir, like I said, the laborers who are registered within the board, they have to avail such schemes, they have to apply. So maybe the next of kin did not apply for the scheme. But sir, if anyone applies for all the benefits that are there to the board, sir, everyone will be given, sir, all the benefits.
Okay, now we move on to next question.